Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Lawrence County, northwestern Greene County, southeastern Dade County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Lockwood to near Miller, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Ash Grove, Miller, Everton, Howtown, Pennsboro. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 52 and 62. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Zoom in on KTTS interactive radar.